While sixth-generation fighter jets such as NGAD, Tempest and fcas are trending, seventh-generation fighter jets are already being considered in some defense circles. The idea of a seventh generation is still speculative and undefined, with experts suggesting that it could involve even more advanced technology, possibly leading to a fully autonomous unmanned combat platform. Fighter jets, increasingly becoming multi-role aircraft, are constantly evolving and will continue to evolve. That's why 70-year-old B-52s and 50-year-old M1 Abrams tanks remain in service, while efforts are already underway to replace the fifth-generation F-22 Raptor, which only entered service in 2005. However, any move towards the seventh generation will require careful consideration of ethical, moral, and legal implications, alongside technological challenges and the potential need for multinational collaboration due to high development costs. The question then is, what can we expect with the next generation beyond what is already in the prototype stage? However, even aviation experts can only contemplate what we can expect to see. The future is always on the horizon, so we can always expect something new. With military hardware, we've really reached a point where most advancements are evolutionary, building on past successes and proven features, rather than revolutionary that can take designers in an entirely new direction. Similarly, most sixth-generation fighter designs have focused on what worked on the fifth-generation aircraft and have developed it further. In terms of time, the gap between each generation has lengthened as technology has become more complex. At the same time as it has become more stable, the huge leaps we saw in aviation technology and innovation at the beginning of the jet age are now much more gradual. While the costs of development, manufacturing, procurement, operation and maintenance have increased to such an extent that most countries prefer to continue using older aircraft that they can upgrade at a faster pace and lower cost to keep up with most similar and near-equivalent aircraft. And maintenance have increased to such an extent that most countries prefer to continue using older aircraft that they can upgrade at a faster rate and lower cost to keep up with most similar and near-equivalent aircraft as such. I do not expect the seventh generation to appear in the discourse until perhaps the 2070s or even longer.